Hey guys, welcome to this iOS 18 guide, and here I'll detail how to add photo widget on iPhone iOS 18. So if you want to add photo widget to your iPhone home screen, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to add photo widget on your iPhone run the latest iOS 18, all you just need to do is go ahead, press and hold the home screen just like this, and once you see the home screen weekly or check-in, go ahead and click on Edit at the top left, and once you selected Edit at the top left, go ahead and click on Add Widget. Here, you'll be taken to where to select the widget you want to add to your iPhone home screen. So you need to go to the App section until you get to Photos. So just keep scrolling until you get to Photos. Once you can see Photos, just go ahead and then click on it. And if the Photos app is not visible for you, just use the Search Widget button and search for the Photos app. Then select it once you can find that. Now you have access to featured photos. If featured photos is not turned off on your iPhone Photos app, you see featured photos here. Then the same thing here. Now go to album. Then you have access to all your albums here. Choose an album to shuffle throughout the day. You see that? Then once you select the size of the widget you want to use as your photo widget on your iPhone on iOS 18, just click on Add Widget. Then you should see the widget added here. Then the widget will flip. If you click on it, then you'll be able to choose the photo album you want to show for the rest of the day. Then go ahead and click on Choose. Once selected shows, select the album you want to showcase on your iPhone home screen photo widget. So once you selected it, click outside again. Then click outside. Then you should see the photo widget just like this. Then go ahead and click outside. Then you should see the photo widget change from one to the other. So these are going to be all the photo widgets you have here on your iPhone on iOS 18. So that is basically how to add photo widget on iPhone iOS 18. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.